Um, and the next startup is Rinston. Please share your presentation, and we are ready to listen to you. So, Rinston. Rinston. Okay. There are no Rinston. Okay. Let's start next speech. Monetizr.
Hey guys, how are you? Do you hear me?
Hello. Yeah, we hear you.
All is good. How's your day so far? Do you like presentations?
Yeah.
Very fine. I'm switching off. We'll be there in a second. So I'll tell a little bit more about my company called Monetizr. So let me know if you see my screen.
Yeah, we see. Share, please.
Awesome. So in a couple of words about myself, my name is Andres. I'm CEO and co-founder of the company called Monetizr. You can look it up, monetizr.io. We are helping game developers to make more money out of their games that they are working. So we are a marketplace working with B2B and gaming companies. So what do we do and how we work with game studios is that we see that gaming is highly saturated market, and over 2 billion gamers are spending every day money and spending their developing skills inside the games, but all that goes to waste. And the market here is $40 billion on mobile only. And what we do at the Monetizr, we reward gamers. So as they play video games, we reward them for time, for the skills, and even the dollars that they spent. And we reward them with tokens that they can spend within the game for game-related valuable goods. So now time, skills, and all the money represent some actual value. So what we have developed is the goods that they can buy and transfer. And the next thing that we're going towards is adding a crypto payments. And what we did is we launched the product, and we know that it's already working. We have built a transaction platform that helps to increase revenue for game studios, and you see the charts, how we are increasing revenues for existing users, but most importantly, game studios love it. And the next thing that we're building is adding and mining as the gamers are playing on a PC platform. So we know how to do it on mobile. We're figuring out how to make money for the PC game studios. And the mining of altcoins as the gamers are playing the video games and rewarding for doing so. This is the next business opportunity for us. And we see there's the market opportunity goes even much, much higher out there. If we combine all the PC, mobile, and platforms, we see a $140 billion opportunity. And of course, Monetizr can easily grasp $5 billion of shareable obtainable market by selling the product, by mining and rewarding the gamers as they play these video games. And how do we know that this works and how we see the traction so far? So we are proud alumni of Techstars Accelerator in the United States. We received Most Innovative Company Award out of Georgia State in the United States. Our product is ready. We have 3 patents pending on our technology, and you see it's working on Unity, iOS, Android, and web games. And you know what? We're winning the game. These are a couple of our customers on the left. So our reach is 10 million monthly active users with these game studios. And we have built a very, very good pipeline of solid and well-known games out there. And we're winning because of also our amazing team. Myself, I have 1 exit experience. This is my 10th startup when I'm participating. My co-founders have gaming and blockchain expertise, and we have a couple of guys with 3 exits on their shoulders too. And we are not doing this alone. Advisors who build successful companies from Atari, Zynga, Activision, EA, those guys are helping Monetizr to succeed going further. So we also have a professor from Georgia Tech helping us on crypto economy. And we have Sean Wilkinson, the CEO and founder of Storage. He helps all tokenization. And what we're doing next is we are tokenizing one third of a company's equity as a security token offering in the security token offering. So accredited investors and people in the blockchain community and crypto community can participate in the token offering.
Sorry for interrupting you.
No. That's it. Thanks, guys. If you have any questions, here are my details. And you can sign up on presale.monetizr.io for more info. Thanks, guys.
Okay. Thank you. Please, judges and guests, ask your questions. As I said, you also can just switch on the microphone and ask the question, or write to the chat.
Yeah, so if somebody wants, I have also prepared the demo, so let me know if you're interested to check it out after the pitch or whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So here's a small video. So as the gamers are playing, they solve challenges. This is one of our games called Black Box. So we reward gamers as they play these video games. And so we, as I mentioned, we reward for their time. The more they play, the more skills they develop. And the more skills they develop, the more tokens they receive within the game. And as they receive these tokens, they can exchange these tokens to exclusive game collectibles, products inside the game, and buy within the game already. So this is what's already happening, and this is what's working. And happy to chat how mining will be working in the future.
Okay, we have questions.
Yeah.
And one question from Martin. What is your current traction? How many clients do you have, and how much money did you earn so far?
So if we speak about the traction,
and Martin also would like to know more about your business model. So 3 questions from Martin.
Yeah, thanks, Martin. So about the traction, this is a list of our existing customers. On the left, we have 30 game studios with a reach of 10 million monthly active users. In our pipeline, we have a quite solid list with 300 million monthly active users in potential list. Additionally, if we speak about the traction and readiness, we built our product. So we have existing solution on working on Unity, iOS, and Android, and we have 3 patents pending. That's on the traction so far. The second question was about the business model. So what we do with these game studios, we are doing a rev share model, and specifically both on the mining section and also on transactions. So it's standard business rev share model with upscaling for the bigger game studios, and we always share the profits with game studios 50-50. So the bigger game studio and the bigger revenue, they have a higher opportunity to increase their portfolio and margins. And what was the last question?
No, we have one more question from Ida. Extremely interesting idea. One is sure. You are using your own token instead of the games using their own.
So yes.
How do you circumvent that?
Yes, so many game studios like Zynga want to have one token that works in all their games, and this is what we are talking with them, how Zynga can adapt Monetizr's tokenization and white labeling within their own ecosystem. And this is what's missing right now, connecting game currency from one game to another game. And with Monetizr's white label token, they can easily do it. But at the same time, indie developers who have independent currencies, they can hub their currencies on their own platform. And this is where the blockchain technology comes in place, where we can connect multiple games between one another.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So now you can see questions in the chat.
Yes, I do. So one by one.
Martin,
thanks again. Current traction, I think I answered that.
Yeah. It seems you answered all questions.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. If you have any questions, here are my contacts. Again, Andres at monetizr.io, and then happy to chat afterwards again. Thank you, guys, for your time.
Thank you.